Okay, now, what do you think makes Atomy such a trustworthy and dependable business partner? First, Atomy generates generational stable income. This represents Atomy's goal to help us build income that doesn't just last for a few months, but can be passed on for future generations. It's about creating long term financial security, or what we called the passive income. Okay, so before I proceed, welcome to our 6 million viewers on Facebook. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. I really love to share this opportunity to you guys. So you can see here on the picture that I am showing you, we have two key elements that make this possible. First is the systematic business, which you can see on your left side. Atomy provides a proven structured system where anyone can earn a stable income by following an established process. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. The system already works and it is designed for consistent results. And the second one is Atomy's competitive advantage. The company itself is reliable, transparent, and globally recognized. Its products are high quality yet affordable, making them easy to recommend and to share to others, to your potential consumers or some distributors that may want to do the business as well. When we combine this strong system with competitive products and trustworthy company, we get a business that offers true stability not just for today but for future generations to come. Later I will be discussing you why did I say for future generations to come, because this is really very exciting. Now, I would like you to understand that Atomy is a network marketing company that connects suppliers and consumers directly, rewarding members for product sharing and referrals. So this system helps everyone, the company, the consumers, and the distributors benefit through value sharing rather than markup pricing. So as you can see here on the picture that I am showing you, the supplier sells directly to the consumer. So meaning to say, we are already bypassing the two ones, the wholesaler and the retailer one. So in most traditional businesses, products pass through several layers like the suppliers, wholesalers, retailers before reaching the consumers, right? So each step of the process increases the price. Now, what Atomy does is Atomy simplifies this process by selling directly from the supplier to the consumer. This eliminates unnecessary middleman, allowing Atomy to offer top quality product at very affordable prices. What's even better is that instead of paying for advertisements or retail stores, Atomy shares its profits with the members who help promote and distribute the products. This is the foundation of Atomy's network marketing system. It's efficient, it's fair, and gives ordinary people the opportunity to earn income by simply sharing the products they love. So, meaning to say, if you would like to do the business of Atomy, you don't need to have extravagant amount of money for you to start the business. All you need to do is to have your own account, be willing to learn, be willing to grow, and to try our products. And I bet you, once you try the product, you will definitely love the products. Now, in this picture, it says to us that Atomy is not just a direct sales company. It's also part of the global trend of platform businesses. We all know big names, for example, like Amazon, YouTube, and Facebook. So these companies don't just sell products, they create platforms that connect people and generate income through engagement. So Atomy follows a very similar principle. It connects it connects suppliers who produce great products directly with consumers through an online platform where members can also participate and earn income. But what makes Atomy stand out is that it allows every member to become part of this platform. So not just as a buyer, but also as a potential business owner. So this is why we say Atomy is a leader in the platform business. It empowers ordinary consumers like me and you to become successful entrepreneurs in the digital economy. So in layman's term, think about it like this. So Amazon connects sellers and buyers. YouTube connects creators and viewers and advertisers. Facebook or Google, it connects businesses with audiences. So for those who has any traditional business, we are all using this platform because this is now the trend. The trend is social media. We have to connect to our consumers through a global online platform, right? So, how Atomy fits in is that Atomy operates as a consumer centered platform where suppliers, Atomy and its partners, provide high quality products. Consumers not only buy but also share these products through the platform, and members benefit financially through network-based rewards, just like users on other major platforms gain from engagement. So in Atomy, the more we share about the product, the more we gain income because we have what we call the PV or the point value. On the other hand, when we make contents, for example, on Facebook, on YouTube, we also gain some amount of money because we are getting paid through advertisement from our contents, right? But not everyone is really privileged enough to do a lot of videos to show on YouTube, to show on Facebook, and for other people it takes just one video or two videos to be viral on Facebook and YouTube, but for other people, majority of the people, let's say 90% of other people, it takes them 2,000 videos before they get to be noticed by the public, right? Correct me if I'm wrong with it, but I'm also doing a lot of videos on Facebook and I only get, for example, maximum 1,800 views, right? So maybe after this live, we're gonna have lots of views. So we will see that. Just kidding aside. Okay, now this highlights Atomy's remarkable achievement being ranked among the top 10 network marketing companies in the world. The data from the picture I am showing you comes from US Direct Selling News, which tracks and analyzes global sales in this industry. You can see here that Atomy is listed alongside major long-established names like Amway, Herbalife, and Nu Skin. And what is really truly impressive is that Atomy reached this position in just over a decade since its founding in 2009. So as you can see, even though we only started last 2009, we already managed to be on the top 10 of the global direct selling companies so around the world. So this proves that the company's strong growth, reliability, and the effectiveness of its consumer-centered business model. So when we say Atomy is a trustworthy company to partner with, this ranking shows that it's not just our opinion, but it is recognized globally as a top performer in the entire direct sales industry. If you guys, those that are listening to us via Facebook Live, if you wanna get this article, please go to the US Direct Selling yes facility or news site so that you can get this information, accurate information. And Atomy operates as a system-supported business, meaning it uses an automated structured system that allows members to earn continuous income even when they're not actively working. So, first of all, let us define what is a system-based business. The definition on the slide says that a business model that generates continuous income through a well-established system, allowing profits to flow even while you sleep. So that is what we also call the passive income. That means that the business does not rely only on your time or daily effort. Instead, once your network and customer base are established, the system keeps generating revenue automatically. So, this is the concept behind passive income, where your efforts today create long-term benefits, right? So that is the reason why now Atomy Europe is not yet on its five years. So meaning to say, if you join Atomy today, become a distributor, do the business, you will still be one of the pioneers in Atomy business in Europe. And just imagine how many countries are there available for us to do the Atomy business here in Europe. Atomy is global, which means that your market is not only from Europe, but from all over the world. Now, these are some other examples of system-based businesses. So, Atomy compares its business model to other common forms of passive income, such as rental income, wherein we're earning money monthly from tenants. We also have royalties, bank interest income, advertising income, and of course, the network marketing income, or MLM, as what we call it, like Atomy's model, where your team and consumers continue purchasing products, creating ongoing income. Now, on this picture that I am showing you today, this captures the heart of Atomy's philosophy, that our company is completely dedicated to customer success. So Atomy believes that when customers succeed, when they're satisfied, healthy, and benefiting from the products, the company naturally succeeds as well. So the principle is very simple. The best products leads to customer success, and customer success leads to company success. When both of them are successful, the company's growth is becoming what? Becoming exponential. That's why Atomy focuses on absolute quality and absolute price instead of spending on heavy marketing. The company reinvests in better products and fair compensation for its members. In short, Atomy's foundation isn't built on sales targets. It's built on serving people and creating real value. That's what makes it very different and very trustworthy. Now, Atomy, as some of you may already know, those that are on Facebook, and of course here on Zoom, we already know what Atomy is all about. Atomy is an online shopping mall. So this is not like a traditional business where we have to go on site to buy our product. So for example, the normal shopping mall or supermarket. So Atomy is online, meaning to say as long as we have computers, we have desktops, we have laptops, we have our phones with Atomy's application, we can easily purchase Atomy's products around the world globally. So just to inform you that Atomy is open to now I believe it's 56 countries. And in the next 5 years, Atomy is going to expand to more and more companies, or sorry, more and more countries worldwide. So for example, I have my Atomy account. I am registered in Belgium. I'm registered in Europe. And I go to America, for example. And I know that Atomy America is open, right? In America, we have Atomy. And guess what? What I forgot? I forgot my toothbrush. And I'm going to be staying in America for 1 week. I will not be able to allow myself not to brush my teeth, right? So, while I'm still at the airport, I'm gonna buy online through Atomy America so that my product will be delivered to the hotel, for example, where I am going to stay, right? Because I can't afford not to brush my teeth for 1 week. So I don't know about you, but for me, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, so we are distributing a wide variety of products. So those products that you see on the supermarket, you see on the pharmacy, we have it all. We have health products, we have food products, we have personal care products, the things that we use on a daily basis, like shampoo, toothpaste, conditioner. We also have hair oil. What else? We also have a hair grower, so on and so forth, right? So as you can see, Everything that you are buying from the supermarket, we have it available in Atomy. The thing is that in Atomy, it's gonna be very convenient for you and me because everywhere you are, as long as you have the application, you can easily purchase. And here in Europe, what? The delivery is just 3 to 4 days. You already have your products, right? So it's really very, very convenient. And not only that, if you are considering to do the Atomy business, on top of using quality products, by the way, all our products are organic. So meaning to say we are not using any harmful chemicals. It's plant-based, it's flower-based. So everything is very organic. So you are sure that you are using a very good quality products for yourself and for your family. And not only that, through using your own products to brush your teeth, to shampoo your hair, Atomy products, you are also earning through your personal use, right? So in Atomy, you literally have a choice. If you want to stay as a consumer, wherein you are just going to use the products, or if you wanted to become a distributor, wherein you are loving the use of our products, earning from using our products for ourselves, and if we share the benefits of the products to other people, we will also be earning as it will be given to us as a commission. Now, let us understand what passive income means. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. It is the income that continues to flow even when you are sleeping, right? Some common examples includes rental income from properties, investments that yield dividends or interest, royalties from books or music, but not everyone can create music. You know, my greatest dream when I was younger is to sing, but I cannot do it now. I don't know why. Maybe if I take some lessons, but it will take time. Probably it will take 2 years for me to sing again. I cannot do that anymore. So it will take time for me to earn, and who will listen for my singing, right? So the key idea is that passive income provides financial stability and long-term security. It allows you to focus on other priorities in life, while your system or assets continue to generate earnings in the background. Building passive income takes time and consistency, but once established, it becomes one of the strongest foundation for financial independence. So later on, we're gonna do some math, some computation because I made a chart as an example for from what I am earning from my salon, because as some of you know, I also own a salon, and being independent has a lot of obligations. If we are not creating a passive income right now, and if we stop working, what will happen to our future, right? Now, these are the strengths of Atomy's marketing plan. So first, we have high quality products, fair and transparent system, customer first philosophy, global scalability, and team-based growth model. But I will not go through this one. I will be discussing it when we are going to discuss about the marketing plan. But let me just share to you the strengths of Atomy's business, Atomy's marketing plan. First is if you want to become a consumer or if you decide to do the business, you don't need to pay any registration fee. We also do not require a mandatory starter package. So meaning to say, if you decide to do the business and if you just want to try, for example, a toothpaste, Atomy will not say, okay, why did you only buy toothpaste? You have your own decision, your own timeline as to when you are going to buy your own personal use products, right? There are no extravagant packages that will be provided to you for you to purchase to be able for you to do Atomy's business. And in Atomy, we have a binary network system. So from the word itself, bi, so meaning two legs, as again, I will be discussing it next week when we discuss about the marketing plan or the compensation plan of Atomy. We have a global market reach. As I've said, we are open worldwide. As of the moment, we have 56 countries open, and I believe that Atomy is working on to open Africa as well as in the Arab countries. So imagine the possibility. Even I'm telling myself, if I'm gonna have consumers here in Belgium, like all the houses, they are consuming toothpaste. Wow, it's what we call the passive income, right? Later on. And we also have unlimited growth levels. So, which means that if you know 1 million people, 5 million people, 20 million people, then you can register them online. They can purchase their products, and it will be for you a very good source of passive income later on. And of course, one of I believe one of the best strengths of our marketing plan is the account inheritance system. Because for example, for myself, I'm not doing Atomy business just for me, but I am doing it to secure the financial or the finances of my kids, for example, because if I die, my ID, my business will be transferred up to the third generation. So that is why Atomy system is very good. So right now, we are actually preparing for the future of our third generation. And what is the importance of financial stability in today's economy? First is economic instability increases the need for secondary income sources, right? If we are not financially stable, we are going to look for another job, one job, two job, three jobs, especially if we have children, right? Even having one child requires us to earn more money because we need to provide for the education of our child. We need to provide for the food, for the shelter, for the clothing, and so on, right? And traditional jobs no longer guarantee financial security because of the rising AI, for example, or you know, the social media is already very, very popular. Chat GPT is very popular. Even I myself, I use Chat GPT a lot. So, because before, for example, when I do a presentation, it takes me a day to do a presentation. But now, with the use of AI, it takes me what, 20 minutes to do a presentation? So, that's really very, like, having our time very, keeping our time very secure. But because of that, a lot of jobs will not be there later on. And what will happen if there will be no jobs available anymore, right? So what will happen to us? What will happen to the future of the future generation? And Atomy provides entrepreneurship opportunities without heavy investment because joining Atomy doesn't require us to pay any amount of money to join Atomy. It will not ask you to buy extravagant amount of products to even start doing the business, right? So your timeline, your decision will be up to you. And it also promotes community driven growth and shared success. Now, let us do some computation because I really wanted you to understand being being an owner of a traditional business. So the figures that you see here is just imaginary. I didn't put my correct earnings here, but this is just the breakdown of how we are earning here in Belgium and what are we paying as an independent person doing business. Okay. First of all, if my clients are watching on Facebook Live, I am really grateful. I am really happy. I am really very proud that my clients are going every month for my treatments. This really means a lot because having a small business, having an independent business here in Belgium is not easy. It takes a lot of courage, a lot of effort, and a whole lot of crying at the beginning because at the beginning we don't have any customers. But once our customers loves our services, they are going to come back every now and then. So thank you very much to all my clients. So let's say for example, I have a sale of 2,000 euros. Okay, as you can see here on my screen. Now, with the 2,000 euros, I have to pay the value added tax, or what we call BTW in Dutch and VAT in English. And how much percentage is the VAT or value added tax? It is 21% here in Belgium for the services that I'm doing, for example. And 21% of 2,000 euros is equals to 420 euros. So if I deduct 420 euros to from 2,000 euros, I will have 1,580 euros left. But of course, I don't own I don't own my facility. I don't own my place. So I have to pay for the rent and I have to pay for the utility bills. So say for example, my utility bills is 500 euros. I have left 1,580 euros minus 500 euros for the rent and utility bills. I will have 1,080 euros left. But of course, I need some materials to do my services. I need my oil. Um, I need my equipments. I need my mask. I need my skincare. I have to buy my materials. So my materials, it cost me, let's say for example, 200 euros per month. And when I deduct 200 euros per month, 200 euros from 1,080 euros left, I will have 880 euros left, right? And of course, being an independent here in Belgium, we are paying a lot of money per 3 months, even if we have no sale. So with or without sale, we have to pay the social security. So for example here, per month, I am paying 333 euros for social security. So imagine I have 880 euros left minus 333 euros. I will have 547 left on my account. But not only that, I have to pay the insurance, and the insurance costs 150 euros, right? Because if, for example, if there will be like an emergency, I hurt my customer and so on, I have to be insured. Otherwise, how can I pay? How can I pay my customer, right? If I don't have enough of money in the account because I have to pay a lot, right? So I have 547 left minus 150 euros for the insurance. I will be having 397 euros left to keep for myself. And did you know? Do you want to know how many customers I have to do to be able for me to get the 2,000 euros? Do you want to know, guys? Yes? Yes? Okay, I see some faces on Zoom. They said yes. Okay. For a facial service that costs 45 euros per treatment, in order for me to have 2,000 euros, I need to have 44 clients. 44 clients. The thing is, I love doing facial. I love treating people. But how can I find 44 clients in such a short amount of time? What? I have to go to the houses and pull the ladies, come, let's do a treatment. I'm gonna make you beautiful and so on. Of course not, right? It takes time for me to build my business. And having said that, do you think if if I am not building an extra passive income, I will survive with 397 euros per month? How can I eat? How can I buy clothes? Of course, I like to look good. How can I do my eyelashes? How can I do my eyebrows? Right? How can I give gifts to my kids, for example, if I only have 397 euros? Now, let us expand this calculation. So imagine if I have 397 euros left times 6, because 397 euros will not be enough, right, to sustain per month, because I also need to eat, right? Imagine if I don't have a just imagine if I don't have a child, I need to pay my rent, I need to eat, I need to buy my clothes, so on and so forth. So 397 will not be enough. And a rental cost of a studio here in Belgium, for example, is approximately 500 to 700 euros for a normal studio. So imagine if I have 397 euros times 6. So that will give me 2,382. So that is fair enough, right? I could survive per month. But do you know how many clients I have to do per month in order for me to have a net of 2,382 euros? Anyone can guess? Right? You can put it on the chat. I will be needing 264 clients per month. 264 clients per month to be able for me to have 2,382 euros net in a month. So imagine 264 clients. That means I need to work per month 264 hours, right? So it's really, really huge. And for example, for what I do right now, I have a salon. My hands are my trophy. It's my gift. Without my hands, I cannot work. What if something happened to my hands? What if I broke my hand? What if I break my hand? And one time, you know what happened? I closed the door of the car and my hand was there. It's like, oh wow, I thought I broke my bone. Without my hands, I cannot work, right? And imagine, for example, I didn't hurt my hand. Do you think I will be able to do massage or facial service until I reach 80? Until I reach 65? Of course not, because our body is weakening the more we are growing older, right? That's why having a financial freedom or having a passive income is necessary to do right now. Yes, we will encounter a lot of difficulties, a lot of rejection, so to say, a lot of down moments because at the first 2 to 3 years, we're not going to see anything at all, right? But you know, guys, I don't see the ones in Facebook right now, but the ones that are in Zoom meeting, I am very, very proud of you guys because at this time we are learning together what is the importance of passive income. Because without passive income and the growth of AI, meaning to say we're not gonna have, ample jobs in the future, at least we are gonna be secured. Okay, so for those who are in Facebook, try to understand literally what is passive income and why is it very important to do it now. Now, having said that I have compared my business, for example, to Atomy, I would like you to understand what is the difference of traditional business to Atomy business. First, with traditional business, we have to have an initial investment. We have to look for a location. We have to look for our products. We have to look for insurances and a lot more to pay. We have, meaning to say, we have fixed costs but limited income. We have linear income. So linear income means it's the active income. So the money you earn in direct exchange for your time or your effort, okay? If in the traditional business, if we do not work, if we do not open our business, we are also not having earnings, right? Like for example, with our traditional jobs, we have the most common saying, no work, no pay, right? If we don't go to work, if we don't show up, the company will not pay us. Okay? But in Atomy, the difference between Atomy's business and traditional business is that, first of all, there is no investment, it is low costs, we have unlimited income, and we have passive income. Because the structure of Atomy's business is very simple, it's very systematic. All you have to do is to use the product to share your experience to other people, register them, give them their account, introduce the product, they buy on the system, they use the product for life because it's personal necessities. We all brush our teeth, right? But you can tell me honestly who's not brushing the teeth 3 times a day. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Sometimes I brush my teeth like 2 times if I'm very lazy. But yeah, but it's 3 times is like necessary, right? So we all brush our teeth. We all wash our hair. So, meaning to say, the more people are registered into our system, the more they use the products, they love the products, they share their experience. It goes and goes as a wheel until your market grows and grows and grows exponentially. And as I'm telling you, in the first 2 years or the first 3 years, if you're not going to see anything, don't give up because you are just building the foundation of your business, which is yourself. You are building your confidence in becoming the best version of yourself. So, when you are already the best version of yourself, you're not going to be shy. That's like what we are doing now. We're going on Facebook and people sees us because we are not shy. Why? Because we wanted to achieve the financial freedom. That's why we are very fierce, right? Very fierce in introducing our products and our business. Now, Atomy is not just a business, it's a movement for financial independence to build long term passive income through ethical entrepreneurship. Start today and be part of a global success story. Register, explore products, and share the vision. I would like to remind you that your small, consistent actions today can build your financial freedom in the future. Every small step will result to a brighter tomorrow. The only question is what? Do you know the question? Who can guess what's the question? What? I start with what? Stanka, I think you want to answer. What's the question, Stanka? The only question is
Why not?
why not? There you go. Why not? Right? One question. Another question is very important. Are you ready? Are you ready to start your financial freedom with Atomy? Right? That's the only question. And I would like to remind you also that we do not have to be afraid to dream big because dreaming big is free, right? But I would also like to remind every one of us, yes, we can dream big, we can write our goals, but what are dreams and what are goals if we are not doing consistent action? And I'm just gonna share to you once. Actually, I'm gonna blog it tomorrow, but I'm already gonna share it to you now. I can do a reel tomorrow anyway because I'm so crazy and I'm really crazy. Like I'm gonna meow doing like this all the time. I'm really crazy. My plan, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna be approaching strangers and I'm gonna ask them to try my product, right? And I'm gonna ask them if I can take a video and post it on my timeline. Do you wanna do the challenge with me, anyone here on Zoom? You wanna do the challenge? Approach one stranger per day and post it on your Facebook or Instagram per day. Ask them how's their experience and show them how they can buy their own products online. So who wants to have the challenge with me? Come on, don't be shy. No? Still a bit shy? Okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna start and I promise you tomorrow I'm gonna have at least 2 people who will do that. Yeah. Okay, now I'm getting red. Okay.